Good morning, dear students. I am giving answer the following from chapter 9. Lesson 9. Answer 1. How are the following adapted to live in their respective environment? Water lily. Now, water lily, I told you, yak. Now to write from page number 102. Write from page number 106. Write from page number 106. What are the adaptations? Which kind of adaptations are present in the yak? Animals like yak and snow leopard live in very cold places, and these animals show thick skins or have a thick fur to protect them from cold. While yak has long hair till here. Long hair to prevent from cold. Third one is the cactus plant. Cactus plant. Cactus plant. Cactus plant. Cactus plant, you have to write from here. Page number 101. Page number 101, you have to write which kind of adaptation takes place in the cactus plant. You will write a cactus plant shows adaptations in its roots, stems and leaves. Roots are very long so that water from deep layers of the soil can be absorbed. Stems becomes spongy so as to store water. It becomes green and takes over the functions of leaves. And third one, thick waxy coating develops to prevent the loss of water because of intense heat. And leaves are reduced to spines in order to reduce the loss of water from the surface of leaves. Now next adaptations in the fish. Which kind of adaptations are present in the fish? Page number 4th one is the fish. Page number 105. You have to write from page number 105. The animals, which kind of adaptations are present in the fish? Animals like fish have a streamlined body. Such a body reduces friction and helps in swimming. And fins of fish help in swimming. To prevent rotting and decay, the animals develop special covering like scales, waxy coating, etc. and special breathing organs like the gills in fish are present. So these are the adaptations present in the fish. Now come to the birds. Adaptations now come to the birds. Adaptation in birds, page number 106. Which kind of adaptations present in the birds? Given on page number 106. You have to write from here. Heading is the adaptation in birds. Bones are hollow and filled with air cavities to make the body light. Feathers are present. Forelimbs are modified into wings for flying. And next one is the camel. Which Which kind of adaptations are present in camel? Page number 101. Which kind of adaptations are present in the camel? Camels has adopted and developed mechanism to live in hot weather. Some of these adaptations include: legs are long, which helps to keep the body away from the heat of the sand. Its feet have thick large soles, making it suitable for walking on sand. When water is available, the animal can drink a large quantity of water. And fourth, a camel can go on without food or water at a stretch for as many as 10 days. It passes out very little urine and dung is dry and sweating does not occur. This is the adaptations present in the camel. And next adaptation is the snow leopard. Snow leopard. Page number snow leopard. Page number 106. Page number 106. Animals like snow leopard live in very cold places, and snow leopard has thick fur on its body to protect from the cold. You have to write this much in the snow leopard. Last one is the loin. Loin. Page number 106. What feature make a lion a good predator? Page number 106, you have to write eyes in front of the face. This allows to get a correct idea about the distance and location of its prey, and it has sharp teeth and long claws in its front legs, and the claws can be withdrawn inside the toes, and its light brown color helps it to hide in the dry grasslands when it hunts for prey. Like the lion, till here you have to write in this. It is given on page number 106. Now come to the question number 2. Name a plant and an animal that have adopted to live in desert. Answer 2. Answer 2 is the name a plant and an animal that have adopted to live in deserts. Plant, that is the cactus. Plant is the cactus. Animal is the camel. Animal is the camel. Now come to the answer 3. Name the types of plants based on their habitat. Name the types of plants based on their habitat. Types of plant on the basis of habitat given on page number 101. Heading is the types of plants on the basis of habitat. Hydrophytes living in water like lotus, water lily, water hyacinth, water chestnut, singara, aquatic plants. Mesophytes living on land with sufficient water like most herbs and trees, that is the terrestrial plants. Xerophytes living on land in dry climate having scarcity of water as in desert like cacti, babool and bay. Terrestrial plants. So this is given on page number 101. Types of plants on the basis of habitat, you have to write from there, page number 101. Next question is what are the different types of animals based on habitat? Types of animals, this one is also given on page number 101. types of animals based on their habitat: aquatic, living in water like the fish; terrestrial, living on land like cow; amphibious, living both on land and in water as a frog, toad, etc.; arboreal, living on trees like squirrels, monkeys, etc. And next, fifth one, what are the adaptations found in animals which live in very cold places? Which kind of adaptations? Answer 5. Answer 5. What are the adaptations found in animals which live in very cold places? Adaptations found in cold region animals. Some animals have thick fur. Some animals have thick fur. Some animals have thick fur, thick skin or thick fur to protect from cold. To protect from cold. Second adaptations, yak has long hair to protect from cold. Has long hair to protect from long hair to protect from cold. Yak has long hair to protect from cold. This is the answer 5. Some animals have thick fur to protect from cold. Yak has long hair to protect from cold. Till answer number 5. Till answer number 5 I have completed, and tomorrow I will give from the answer 6. Tomorrow I will give from the answer 6, and till answer number 5 you have to write in your GSC copy.